Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. So today this is an unboxing video of DJI OM 4 gimbal. So since a very long time I needed this gimbal. So finally the packet has arrived today. Today being 12th of March 2022. The packet has arrived. Unbox this packet and you guys will take a look. So here we have a gimbal. So here we have a gimbal, guys. You can take a look. DJI OM4 SE. So I got this gimbal for around 7,999, and on the box the price is 9,990. So on the box price is mentioned as 9,990, but I got this from Amazon around 7,999. Cut. So here we can see the package is sealed. Now I'll open the seal. So we can open it with hands only, no scissor required for this. So as soon as I open, here it is written create magnetic moments. So this is the main highlight of this gimbal. So here is the box. As soon as we open this box, here it is written create magnetic moments. So this is the highlight of this gimbal. So let's see what's in the box. So here we have a protective cloth to keep and store a gimbal while traveling and all. So I'll keep that aside. So this is the strap which we can tie to a gimbal just for safety purpose. And this is some instruction manual which is provided, which is not needed. I'll keep that aside and we'll take a look at the gimbal. So here we get to see this is the tripod stand which can be used to mount the gimbal. What else we have? We have a charging cable which is USB to Type C, which is a good part. So now we'll take a look at this gimbal. So this is the gimbal which we get. It's pretty lightweight, not that much heavy. Looking at the build quality is very good. So we'll take a look that how is to be arranged and how is to be open. So we have to just put a slight push towards upwards, and here we go. The gimbal is ready to use. All the motors are free and we can use it. So I'll keep that aside for a second and I'll show you one thing. So this is the main highlight which I was talking about. So this is completely a magnetic a case which protects our mobile. So here, see, here there is one dot, here dot, and if you take a look at the gimbal, you will find a dot here as well. See here. So you have to press it like this. See, it gets attached. So what you have to do is you have to match these two dots, and then you can mount your phone over here and it is start to ready to use. So we have this tripod stand and I'll show you guys how to mount this. So here we can see the threads and you have to just screw it up. Slightly tightened it and you need to open this and you can use this gimbal right away like this. Cut. This is how you can fit this mount over your phone. Keep it in the center as much as you can. So the one thing is there is instruction given on this mount. So your camera should be this side. So in this, see, I have my camera right away on this side. So this thing you should keep in mind. This is how we mount our this mounting clip clamp over the phone and stick it on over here, because since it is a magnet, then here we can see there is a power on button which is also a mode button. So I'll switch it on and I'll show it to you guys. So press it this and the gimbal is ready to use. So here we have the scanner and you can scan it, and you can download DJI Mimo app from Play Store and iOS as well. So from there you can connect this. Thank you guys for watching, and wait for my next video where I'll use this gimbal and I'll show it to you. Thank you for watching this video guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.